Welcome to our guide on employee onboarding. Many people confuse onboarding with orientation, but they are quite different. Orientation is usually a one-time event where paperwork is signed. Onboarding, however, is a comprehensive process that can last months. It is the strategic journey of integrating a new hire into your organization, helping them understand their role, and feeling connected to the company culture. You might wonder if a structured process is really necessary. The data says yes. Effective onboarding has a massive impact on retention. New employees who go through a structured program are 50% more likely to stay with the company for at least 3 years. Furthermore, they reach full productivity much faster, 62% faster to be precise. It also boosts overall engagement, creating a team that is happier and more committed. Great onboarding starts before the employee even walks through the door. This phase is called pre-boarding. The time between signing the offer letter and the start date is often filled with anxiety for the new hire. You can alleviate this by communicating early. Send a welcome email with logistics, get their laptop and accounts set up in advance, and try to get the boring paperwork out of the way digitally. This shows you are ready and excited for their arrival. Now let's talk about the first day. The goal here is to make them feel welcome, not overwhelmed. Start with a warm greeting and a tour of the office, covering essentials like where the coffee is and where the restrooms are. Arrange a team lunch to break the ice in a relaxed setting. Also, ensure their technology actually works. Nothing kills momentum like a password that doesn't work, and a small welcome kit with some company swag goes a long way. As you move into the first week, the focus shifts to training. But be careful not to fire-hose them with information. Spread out the role-specific training. Job shadowing is a fantastic technique here, allowing them to watch experienced colleagues in action. It is also important to assign some small, achievable tasks. These quick wins help build confidence and give the new hire a sense of contribution right from the start. Onboarding is not just about learning software. It is about joining a tribe. Social integration is critical. New hires need to understand the unspoken rules and the culture of the workplace. Encourage informal interactions like virtual coffee breaks or team rituals. Helping them understand the company vocabulary and inside jokes makes them feel like an insider much faster than reading a handbook ever could. To keep momentum, use a 30-60-90-day plan. In the first 30 days, the focus is on learning and absorption. By day 60, they should start contributing and taking on tasks with less supervision. By day 90, they should be fully proficient, working independently and even starting to propose new ideas. This framework gives the new hire a clear roadmap of what success looks like. A secret weapon for successful onboarding is the buddy system. It is important to distinguish the buddy from the manager. The manager is there for performance goals and career trajectory. The buddy, on the other hand, is a peer. They are a safe space for the new hire to ask the quote-unquote silly questions, like how to use the printer or who to ask for stationery. Having a friend on day one reduces stress significantly. Communication should not stop after the first week. Establish an ongoing feedback loop. Schedule regular check-ins at key milestones, like the end of week 1 and at the 30, 60, and 90-day marks. These meetings are two-way streets. Ask them how they are feeling, if they have what they need, and clarify any role expectations. This prevents small misunderstandings from becoming big problems. To wrap up, remember these key points. First, don't ignore the pre-boarding phase. Use it to build excitement. Second, structure the journey using a 30-60-90-day plan so expectations are clear. Third, assign a buddy to provide informal support. And finally, focus heavily on culture and social connection. Effective onboarding is the bridge that turns a nervous new hire into a confident, long-term employee.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.